How to get rid of gallstones without surgery? Gallstones are hard crystalline balls that are formed in the gallbladder from excess cholesterol or bile salts. Gallstone can cause sharp intense pain in the upper right part of the abdomen. Here are some natural home remedies for gallstones. Number 1 is lemon juice. Take a 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and a glass of water. Add the lemon juice to the water and drink this in the morning. Almost drink 2 or more glasses daily in a day. Number 2 is cranberry juice. Drink a glass of cranberry juice every day. Dilute it with some water if you feel the juice is too acidic to consume. Drink this juice almost every day to maintain healthy functioning of body. Number 3 is coconut oil. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, half glass of water, half lemon juice and a small piece of ginger. Warm the coconut oil and add all the ingredients to it. Drink this mixture daily. Number 4 is castor oil. Take only 1 cup of castor oil, heat the castor oil and soak the cheesecloth in it. Remove excess oil from the cloth and place it on the right side of the belly where your gallbladder is located. Hold the cloth in place by wiping a plastic sheet around the belly. Place the hot compress over this for about 20 to 30 minutes. Number 5 is green tea. Steep the tea leaf in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and add a bit of honey and lemon for taste. Drink the tea while it is warm. Drink green tea daily in the morning. Number 6 is coffee. You only get a cup of coffee. Brew a cup of your favorite hot coffee and drink it. Drink coffee at least 2 times daily. Number 7 is beetroot. Cut the beetroot into small pieces and blend with some water to make fresh beetroot juice. Drink a cup of beetroot juice daily. Number 8 is turmeric. Take half teaspoon of turmeric and honey. Eat turmeric mixed with honey daily to get rid of gallstones.